Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lesson is part of speech from sun, seasons and months. We have four sentences. Sentence number 1. Cold winter is chilly. In this sentence, cold is adjective, winter is noun, is verb, chilly is adjective. Sentence number 2. Holy Ramazan is blessed. In this sentence, holy is adjective, Ramzan is proper noun, is verb, blessed is adjective. Sentence number 3. Allah sends rainy mercy. In this sentence, Allah is proper noun, sends verb, rainy is adjective, mercy is noun. Sentence number 4. Ramazan is a fasting month. In this sentence, Ramzan is proper noun, is verb, article, fasting is adjective, and month is noun.